Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the See It in Your feature on the Wayfair mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Wayfair app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now use the search bar at the top and type it something you want to buy. Scroll through the result and tap on a product you like. On the product page, look for a button or icon that says See It in a room or view in room. It usually has a small camera or 3D symbol next to it. Tap on that. Now your phone camera will open. Aim your phone at the space where you want to place them, like your living room or bedroom. You will see the item appear on your screen as it actually in your room. You can move your phone around to see if it from different angles. Use your finger to move, rotate or resize. Make sure the area you are scanning is well lit and has a clear floor so the app can properly take your space. And that's it. That's how you use Wayfair See It in Your Room feature from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next